Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mtuy, and in my channel is all about hair tutorial, step by step, makeup, and sometimes lifestyle. So for more video like this, kindly hit the subscribe button below and turn on notification bell so that you don't miss anything when I upload. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I do Bantu knots step by step. So I started by dividing my hair into 3 sections. In back section, I try to make a straight line as much as I can. And after that, I use hairband to secure middle and back section. Then I go ahead and work with front section, which I divide into 5 sections. I will use rubber band. I got it from local store supplier. Shine and jam gel. I got it from Amazon. I'll put the link in description below, which I will apply on my section, and a rubber band to secure the section. After I apply enough gel, I use comb to comb my hair and make sure my hair is slick. Because my hair have enough oil, so I don't need to add any excess oil on my rubber band. But if you feel your hair does not have enough oil, you can add a little amount of oil in your elastic band to avoid them to tag your hair. Keep in your mind that when you put too much oil in your rubber band, they will become stiff and easy to break. I tried as much as I can to make the section looks even, and because this is protective style which I'll keep for several days, I make sure I twist the end of every section after I tie with rubber band. After I create 2 sections in my right side and left side, in the middle I try to create a triangle, so I start to divide it from back to front, and I get 3 triangle sections. Since I started to use this Shine and Jam gel, I find it works pretty good on my natural hair, more than Eco Gel, especially on the single braid, and does not leave white residues on my hair. So right now, this is one of my favorite gel, or my best gel for the single braid. I keep repeating the same thing to apply gel and make sure the hair is slick. Tie with rubber band and then twist the end till I finish front. And in the middle I divided 4 sections, and back I divided 2 sections, so total I have 11 sections on my head, and this is how the section come out. I used Darling extension hair, long, color 19. I used 2 packages, and this is the amount of hair I'm going to work with. I divided the extension into 2 and small section across in the middle, and I make 3 strands. And I start to braid. When I braid, I try to cover my natural hair with extension. So I braid till end of my natural hair, then I began to roll the extension. And twist starts from the root till the extension finish. If my explanation does not make sense, please keep watching, because braiding explanation is a bit difficult, but the more you're watching, the more you'll understand. I take extension, divide into 1/3, the small section cross middle. This small cross middle form one strand, while other extension, each one stand by itself. And I make sure when I braid, the small section I cross middle is in my hand to avoid my extension moving. Then I start braiding. Till end of my hair, rolling extension, and I start twisting till the extension finish. I find if I divide my extension into 3, things be more easy. Even when I braid, it's easy to cover my natural hair from the root. But if you cannot do this method, you can crochet. The result also come out good. After that, I take scissor and trim off all the excess hair. I brush my edges, and this is the final result of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video is useful. If yes, kindly subscribe, comment, like and share. I love you guys and I appreciate your endless support. I will see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.